This video tutorial I will explain fill method of arrays class which accept boolean array and boolean value. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the boolean array. It has 5 boolean values. Then I am displaying the boolean array content. Then I am calling fill method of arrays class and passing boolean array, and the boolean value is false. What this fill method will do is it fill the boolean array content with the value false. After fill method is called, I am displaying the boolean array content, and here you can see the output. The boolean array is filled with the value false. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.